how to reset your Samsung Galaxy phone if you've forgotten the password. So if you've forgotten the password on your Samsung Galaxy, you may need to go and reset the device. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is grab a USB-C cable, and you need to go and plug one end into your Samsung, and you need to plug the other end into a laptop or computer. Now you don't actually have to do anything on the computer, you just need to make sure it's plugged in and make sure the computer is turned on. Now once you've done that, come over to the side of your Samsung phone and then go and hold down the power button located on the right hand side. You'll then see this screen pop up, go and click on the power off button. You could then just click on this power off icon. Now once your phone's completely turned off, you should see a black screen like this. Now all we need to do is hold down the volume up button and also the power button at the same time. So let's go and do this together. We're going to hold down these two buttons, and then you just need to keep holding these buttons down until eventually the Samsung boots up in the recovery mode. Now once you're on this recovery screen, you can go and use the volume buttons to move down this list. So we need to scroll down to where it says wipe data and factory reset. You then need to click on the power button to go and select this. You could then click on the volume down button to go down, and then you need to go and select factory data reset. Now just bear in mind that this will go and completely remove all of the data on your Samsung Galaxy, but this will also go and remove the password, so when you reboot your Samsung phone, you'll then be able to access the device.